In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily allow only friends to be able to send you messages on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off open up a web browser and then go to chess.com. Make sure you are signed into your account and then click right here at the bottom left corner where it says settings. On settings we need to click at privacy right here. And then towards the very top of the screen we can easily find an option which is called Send and Receive Messages. Using that option we can configure whom we can send messages and who can send messages to us. If we click right there, we can switch all members to only my friends. Once you changed the option, scroll down a bit and click at Save to save the changes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.